Hey, what's going on, everybody? And thanks for joining us in episode 5.
In this episode, we visit the capital city of the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo.
We explore the cruise port, purchase mamajuana, drink some free rum, and Mike gets mad at Kevin.
Here we are in Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic. We're in this cruise port. There's absolutely nothing to do in here. Okay, where's the mamajuana? What he's talking about. Dave's looking for some mamajuana. In case you guys don't know, that's Slayerz in America. Down here you put in your drink, it gets you boop. So there's Mike. I already said hi. And yeah, so no excursions on this island, and it's pissing rain.
As you can see, this port is pretty quiet with only a few vendors to explore.
Coming up next, Dave finds the mamajuana.
I'll look around first, I'll come back. They have some hats over there.
You getting it?
Oh, you got it. To the bag.
How much?
Keep the back.
To provoke love and stimulate the passion. Well, Dave has my attention.
How much?
It's 3 for 12.
3 for 12. How much do you take? Like a shot?
Yeah.
What's the white one?
Coconut.
Oh, the liqueurs. What do you do? Just drop it in your coffee and then take the old lady upstairs and just feed it to her?
Yes, or with ice.
Yeah? 3 for 12?
Style.
They only have the 2 flavors?
Yeah, and I got some sugar.
Well, got the mamajuana, and now we're going to go get some free rum. Right, babe?
Rum it up all you want, my love.
Dave, you ready for the rum?
Yep.
Let's go.
Come on and have a rum.
Let's do this. What is it? Saboni?
Yep.
Mike, you getting some rum?
I have a strange feeling that Mike has a hangover. Let's see how this plays out.
Not sure yet?
Mike. That for the bottle. This is no charge.
Dave orders his rum with just ice, so I do the same.
Here, brother.
And Mike must still be thinking about it.
Delish.
Rum sampling. Mike, have one.
Always got it once. It's funny, I have no voice, but now I do.
Yes.
It's like a miracle. Wanna try that? Why? Just a sip. It's good.
Hold on.
Good shit.
We need some juice or something to hide the rum flavor.
No. Don't listen to her. You never kill the taste of a good rum.
Hold on.
Now, did anybody happen to notice Mike agree with me that you never mix a good rum?
First time I've ever gone anywhere and never had to get out any of this. You get a full one of this.
I know. She wants to put juice in it.
It's visceral, like for me. Yeah. It's true.
As I look at Mike, I have noticed that he has mixed his rum.
Mike, how's that?
I need to hide
Not bad, eh?
Yeah. Refreshing. But it's
Refreshing? Ah.
So which one did he give you? Like this one, or they pour it out?
At this point, I've also noticed that Mike's rum is a few shades darker than Kevin and Dave's.
Water it down, Harley.
No.
Rum and Coke, bud. Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Then shoot it.
Well, why are you mixing your 12-year-old with Coke?
I didn't.
I saw you drinking that Juanito. In the smoke pit just now.
Oh, that's because that was shit. That was shit.
No, you don't water that shit down, bud. You don't water down apples to 12-year-olds.
Well, you had no problem taking it off the table and drinking it.
Next, we check out the liquor shop.
Dave, what'd you get?
$140 last bottle of Martell.
Happy now?
$40.
Yeah, we're gonna drink it on the ship
I
tonight.
came here now?
Yes.
There wasn't that much to do at this port besides drink free rum and table shop the local merchants. Once the rain clears, we head outside for a few photos and some fresh air.
Bored out of our minds, we hop back onto the Carnival Conquest and say farewell to Santo Domingo.
We weren't overly impressed with this port, and there was a lot of garbage floating in the bay. Later on, we all decide to meet up for some drinks.
Laura and Raina head right to the whirlpool, while I continue to party with my brother Mike. Now, Mom does not look too impressed with Mike and I as we leave Santo Domingo and set sail for Curacao. But me, on the other hand, I was just happy to be cruising. As Mike and I continue to party the night away, I happen to meet the cruise director, Chloe. Now from this point on, these two brothers had a really great night together.
If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and join us in episode 6. In this episode, we do a beach excursion at Cabana Beach as we spend the day in Curacao. We then spend the night shopping in the cruise port while sampling the local beer.
Before I end up embarrassing myself once again at the Rock and Glow 80s show. All thanks to the cruise director.
Make sure to check out our other cruise videos, and as always, thanks for watching.
So until then, guys, see ya.